Your Excellency, why is there difference in quality of the roads you do with the ones federal government do in federal roads?
Well, thank you very much. We have grade A road, grade B road, grade C, D, and F. The road, you see some of the federal government roads and the ones being done by Julius Berger, some of them are grade A road. And the kilometers are about 6 billion. Like you can see the Port Harcourt road in Abia, that is a standard gauge road, which the kilometer might be above 6 billion naira. The grade B's road are the one owned by the state government. I will just give examples so people in our senatorial district will understand. From Umuahia to Uzor to Alai to Ibere to Abreba to Abia. That is a grade B road owned by the state government. I will also give another example so people of our state or senatorial district will understand. From Bende to Zuitem to Ibere to Item to Ngboro, that's government grade B road. From Alai to Ibere through Okafia road, that's state government grade C road. And the grade D road is a road generally owned by local governments. And what I'm doing, which actually I'm very thankful to President Mohamed Buhari and the President Ahmed Tinubu since they came into power, I developed this grade F road with them because that is a road that's supposed to be graded and just pour laterite on it. But when they gave me, and the budget of that road is about 250 to 280 million naira per kilometer. So it's not the same. And grade B roads are going for 6 billion per kilometer. And you can see, because of the equipment we have used, we're supposed to just grade that road and pour concrete on it without asphalt. But I insisted to these contractors and the MDS, I mean the federal government agencies, when I sat down with them and said, no, I must not do only grading, you must do asphalt. So the quality and quantity of that road as 6 billion naira road, it cannot be the same. So I plead with people of our constituency to please know the difference between these two roads. I appreciate their concern. President Buhari, who I convinced when he was president to give me these roads on furthering to bring out foods from the farmers. And when President Tinubu came, I went to him and pleaded with him. I said, we have forgotten throughout. I was even governor that we never had enough money to build these roads. I pleaded with President Tinubu, and I'm sure in this budget they are giving me also few of those roads. So you can see there's a big difference. A kilometer of road or 250 million. No contractor will agree to go and do it. But people are doing it, I'm forcing them to do it because I want everywhere to be tapped. So this is a big difference. So I plead with people of our constituency to stop comparing the grade A road, Umundochi, Lopata, to Umuahia, to Port Harcourt, federal government are doing, or the one state government are doing at about 6 billion, 4 billion, 3 billion per kilometer to a road of 200 million, 250 million per kilometer. It's not the same. So I plead with them. I have their goodness in my mind. I think about them, and I want to build a sustainable society where every ward, absent ward in our area, have roads to go to their homes, and that's what we are doing. I can tell anybody to go and check what we are doing, and people have checked and they see that what we are doing. That was exactly what I did when I was governor, but there was not enough fund. You can see I'm committed as a family, as a person, and as society, and we must be very thankful to also President Tinubu for what he's doing for the economy. It's difficult today, but we will see a better tomorrow. Prices of goods have started going down gradually, but not straight. But I know that the economic indices will give roots to good living of life. Nigerians are hungry. Nigerians are angry, but a better society. My grandmother told me, For you to get a good cloth, you have to sew a good cloth. You have to cut it into pieces and resew it. This is what President Tinubu is trying to do. I hope that President Tinubu will not fail. If he fails, it will be disastrous of economy. So I pray that the mergers of dollar, the mergers of petroleum prices, and all the rest of them are going well. So I assure people of our constituency that they're in good hands. The pilot is me. They are our people, and I can never do anything that will not be in consonance with democratic laws. Thank you very much. Let's stop it there. Thank you.